share my presentation. Good afternoon to everyone. So today's my topic is Internet and Mobile of the 7 mass media. Next. As we know that in a COVID-19 and a pandemic situation, how Internet and mobile is important in our day-to-day life. So here is in 2006, telecoms and the techno author Tommy Ohanen coined the term seventh of mass media to explain why service on mobile need not to be occupied of internet or TV content. It describes the evolution and convergence of mass media from print to mobile. Next. So here is 7 mass media: print, book, pamphlet, newspaper, magazine from the late 14th century. Second one is recording tapes, castle, cartridges, CDs and DVDs from the late 18th century. Third one is cinema from about 19th century. Fourth is radio from 1910, and the fifth is television from about 1950. Internet from about 1990 and a mobile phone from about 2000. Next. So the internet was first inherent threat mass media channel. The internet fundamentally lives on techno-communication capacity. The internet introduced 3 concepts. It was the first interactive media. It offers search. It enables social networking. So the internet. Sorry for interruption. The internet. It is back previous slide. So the internet is not only mass medium, but it is also a global medium with a potential to reach everyone on the globe. The internet allows for instantaneous exchange of information to and from any part of the globe. Next. The internet is a unique mass media. So we came to know that how internet is useful in nowadays. So internet is controversial nowadays. The ability to enhance the performance of other media. The internet we can enhance performance of other media through the radio, TV, books, magazine, and newspaper are rely on the wider audience. So how the other media perform through the media. Another is flexibility of uses. Internet has the potential to function as other devices like radio, television, newspaper, etc. So through the internet, things that make computer-based communication and so powerful. So it include virtual level of internet. We are use internet for the education and for day-to-day life also. So the ability to combine feature of other media. So how internet combine feature of other media. Internet combine feature of other media. So as a result of this flexibility nature, it combine all the strength of the old mass media as a visual ability of TV, print, and etc. The ability to empower audience as a active user. Before the advent of the internet, receiver were seen as audience communication process was limited, but now the remote control is in our hand. So no need to get from seat to change the station, but control was in the remote one. So now no need to go outside, but we can perform through the internet at anywhere or at any place. We gathering information through the internet. The a medium of two-way communication. So internet allow to communicate in two way, as a sender and as a receiver. We can send email and messages, and the other one person get got got the email and message. So there are the process of sender and receiver through internet. The internet challenge conventional concept of mass communication. All one need for internet mass communication maybe the computer and internet modem, but not there is many way like a website offer or many multiple site through that changes become of changes communication mass communication. The internet has a worldwide audience. So the internet is a wireless technology. We can say that which represent speed faster to all people or consumer. It is very helpful to consumer nowadays, and all people are only rely on the internet because of the development of technology. Next. Another one controversial device is mobile. Phone were recognized as a new unique mass media channel. Mobile phone as the seventh mass media is by far the most powerful. The mobile phone emerged as a mass media from about the year 2000. The mobile phone is stimulately one of the most important technology revolution in human history. So, there are more mobile phone in use today than the people. So the US Supreme Court has ruled that a mobile phone is an integral part of person and extension of her or his personality. Next one. There are features that distinguish mobile from all other media. So mobile is the first personal mass media. As we know that we are going at any place. We are forgot our wallet, but the mobile is we cannot forget mobile, because mobile is very important nowadays for telephonic and other 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 use also like Google Map or etc. So mobile is permanently carried. If we know that if we have to go outside and we have to carry mobile, so it is simple to take away from within, but the laptop is not taken because it is heavy, and so the mobile is permanently carry for outside. Mobile is always on. As we know in the pandemic situation that how mobile is always on. There is one app Arogya Setu. So through the Arogya Setu we can find out that we are in which criteria of COVID-19. So through the mobile we can always get notification of Arogya Setu. So mobile is always on. Mobile has built-in pay mechanism. So there are a number of services that can mobile into virtual wallet and a bank working bank card, and so the so through that we can bringing banking and payment service to people all around the world through the built-in payment mechanism. Mobile is available at the point of creative inspiration. So through the mobile we can create many things like we are use in our education like blog, PowerPoint presentation, slide share, lots many things. So from this apps we are learn and is our own way we are creating our personal blog or presentation. So it is a creative inspiration. Mobile has the most accurate audience measurement. Accurate measurement means that mobile phone uses far less uh, anonymity than the internet user. Mobile is for education purpose. As we know that in COVID-19, how mobile is useful for us. Through the mobile, we are attending lecture and uh, get education. So the mobile is the most controversial in a pandemic situation. Next. So the opinion states that the internet is the only semi-personal such as shared computer at internet cafe home and